Do you want to start a YouTube channel that makes money? Then search no further because you are in the right place. In our today's video, I want to quickly show you guys how to start a YouTube channel that makes money even in this 2023 and beyond. But before I proceed guys, I'll quickly show you a proof of how much I myself have been making as a YouTube content creator, or a proof of some of the money I've made as a YouTube content creator by simply creating and publishing videos onto YouTube. It's very much simple. All I just have to do first of all is come over to my YouTube studio. This is to prove to you that what I'm about showing you is a strategy that I myself have been practicing and implementing, and it's working for me absolutely 100%. Then if I'm to come over to my YouTube studio, it's going to take me back to the back end of my YouTube channel, where I will show you some of the stuffs I'm talking about. So this is my YouTube channel, and if you come over to the section that says content, then on content you're going to find my videos, where I have all of my videos published. So these are all of my videos that I published on YouTube, and you can check more of that. So if I want to proceed now and show you some of the money I've made as a YouTube content creator, all I just have to do is to go to the analytics, but I don't want to do it in this tab. That's why I've opened up some tabs of some of the videos that I want to use to show you example. So I managed to open some tabs. As you can see, these are all of the tabs and some of the videos. As you can see now, this video right here, you are seeing right here, I got 10,000 views and it made $30, estimated revenue $30. Then this other one got 59,000 views, estimatedly it made $234. Okay, wait, I know you might think this is a screenshot. Let me quickly reload it so that you know it's not a screenshot. Then if I'm to go over to the reload section and reload it, then give some time, let it reload. So as you can see, it's still the same thing. 59,000 views with estimated revenue of $234 made. Then this other one right here actually made $6 with 1,000 views. Then this one made $111.12 with 15,000 views. Then this one made $111.79 with 9,000 views. This one made this one made $52.74 with 8,000 views. This one made $8 with 1,000 views. This one made $10 with 1,000 views. This one made $37 with 7,000 views. This one made $20 with 1,000 plus views. This one made $11 with 1,000 plus views. This one made $23 with 3,000 views. This one made $15 with 1,000 plus views. This one made $3 with 1,000 plus views. This one made $14 with 2,000 plus views. Then this one made $9 with 1,000 plus views. This one made $5 with 4,000 plus views. This one made $12 with 2,000 plus views. Then this one made $5 with 900 and something, approximately 1,000 views. So this is to actually prove to you that I'm a YouTube content creator. I do YouTube content creation almost every day of my life, and I'm making money at the moment. I will not take you down to everything in just this single video, but I just want you to believe that this thing works, and I want to show you how myself I've been doing it and the steps and the process you should follow even as a beginner, and you get the final result just like this one that I've gotten. So let me go back to my channel. So as you can see on my YouTube channel, YouTube content creation is not the only thing I do online. I equally do other models of online business and online hustle. So it doesn't really give me time to, go even more deeper on YouTube content creation and even focus more and stay more consistent. This is just my personal channel that I have just 14.14k subscribers with just 292 videos. So with 292 videos published, and I could make some of this amount of money that I showed you. And this is not all I made. I even made more because I just used some of my videos to show you example. These are just 18 videos I used to show you example of how much I have been earning as a YouTube content creator based on the views. And the thing is that you might get more money, or you might generate more revenue on a particular video that even have lower views compared to another video. It all depends on the RPM of that particular video or the geographical location where the views are coming from. If you check out this video now and then you check out audience, then you're going to see where it says top geography: Nigeria, United States. United States is United Arab Emirates, Kenya. Then if you have to check out this one that made $111 plus with just 9,000, approximately 10,000 views, then you go to the section that says audience. Then on the audience section, you're going to see the top geography, United States. This video actually got most of its views from the United States, then followed by Nigeria, followed by India, and followed by Cameroon. So this thing is very simple. You can start by, publishing videos on YouTube and making money as well. Videos is what you just need to publish on YouTube. And one thing about publishing video on YouTube is that you must publish content on a specific niche. Just like me, all of my content you're seeing right here on YouTube are all online money making tutorial videos or side hustle. So video is all about online money making. So this is the niche I'm into. So if you want to start a YouTube channel, the first thing you have to do is to pick a niche. You need to pick a category where you want to start sharing content related to. It could be online money making, it could be health, it could be sport, it could be personal lifestyle, it could be relationship, anything you can do without burning out. Let's say I've been on YouTube for like 2 years plus now, and I'm still creating YouTube content every day of my life. Anything you do without burning out is what you pick as a niche. So if it's lifestyle, if it's cooking, you are very good at, and you can be creating content on it even in the next 10 years, and even until the world ends, that's the niche you need to go for. That's the category you need to go for. Like me, it's online money making. So now after picking a niche, you have to create a YouTube channel. I don't want to start talking about how to create a YouTube channel now in this video, but if you want me to share a video on how to create a YouTube channel, please make sure you drop your comment in the comment section below, so that I will compare the amount of people that need that video, and then I'll create such a video. I'll show you the exact way to create a YouTube channel in order to have access to all of the features. So if you want to know how to create a YouTube channel from scratch, I actually made a video before, how YouTube pros make money. If you watch this video, you're going to find out how to create a YouTube channel. I equally reviewed how to create a YouTube channel in this particular video. So with that said, guys, now that you have already known that I am making money as a YouTube content creator, my video content, how can you equally do the same thing, or how can you do the exact same thing and make money as well? Well, it's very simple. As a YouTube content creator, you publish videos onto your YouTube channel. I've shown you the back end already. And before you can start creating content and publishing on a YouTube channel as a YouTube content creator, you need to understand that you must be a video editor. You must go and learn how to edit videos. And you cannot do this thing with your phone. Take note, it must be on a laptop or a computer. So I have this unique video editing software that I use for my video editing, the Adobe Premiere Pro. So you can go and get the Adobe Premiere Pro. The Adobe Premiere Pro happens to be the industry leading standard of video editing. As you can see, I've launched my Adobe Premiere Pro. I use the Adobe Premiere Pro 2020 version. So all I just have to do now is to hit on this section that says File. Then I hit on New. Then I hit on New. Then it's going to take me to project. Then I hit on project. Then now I can quickly pick the name of the project, the title of the project, but I can leave it like that. Let's say night. I can just pick anything. And then I hit on OK. Then as soon as you hit on OK, it's going to bring you over to a workspace or a work interface that gives you access to the Adobe Premiere Pro video editing features. Okay, so just give some time, it's loading up. So as you can see now, this is the Adobe Premiere Pro 2022 version that I make use of as a YouTube content creator. This thing that I'm showing you guys is what most YouTube content creators will not show you, but because I want you guys to make money just by making money online, that's why I'm revealing this secret. So this is how it is, and now as you can see, it's very simple. This way you can just import media and start editing your videos. Take note, before you can become a YouTube content creator and start making money as a YouTube content creator, no matter the niche you are going in for, you have to be a video editor. That's the most important thing, because you are sharing videos. So you must edit your video. You cannot just upload raw file onto YouTube. You have to edit those videos. So now I have my Adobe Premiere Pro launched. Then I just have to come over to this side that says File again, and then I hit on Import. I just want to show you the basics of how this thing works, but if you need a detailed Adobe tutorial video, drop your comments in the comment section below, and I'll equally come up with that video as well. This is not an Adobe tutorial video, but I just want to show you that this is what you need to succeed as a YouTube content creator. So then I just have to hit on Import. Then as soon as I hit on import, and I'm going to go over to video. Let's assume I have a video that I want to record. Okay, let me go over to my Flashback Express, which happens to be my screen recorder. Then I go over to record. Then these are all of the videos, or some of the videos that these are all raw files that haven't even been edited. So I will pick any of this video now. It could be a screen recorded video. It could be a video where you showed your face live on camera. It's all the same thing. It's all the same editing processes, because video editing is basically trimming off fluff, adding audio, adding sounds, adding transitions, and adding animation. So now as you can see, I've imported the video file, or the unedited video file, into the Adobe Premiere Pro software. So all I just have to do now is to drag and drop it right here on this timeline. As you can see now, this is actually the timeline of this video. Now I can start editing ASAP. So, but I don't want to, show you full Adobe tutorial in this video. I just want to show you some of the basics that you should know, which is the basic tools of Adobe Premiere Pro, like the razor tool, the test tool, the hand tool, and everything. If you want a detailed Adobe tutorial video, please drop your comments in the comment section below. I will come up with that. But what you need is Adobe Premiere Pro. So that's for that. Now I've shown you the software you need to use for video editing. Is very much important. This is the razor tool. It's very important you go for Adobe Premiere Pro. Now I want to show you what you need to know about monetizing your content, because after editing these videos and uploading it on your YouTube channel, you need to get it monetized. Okay, let me quickly show you an example with one of my YouTube channel that is not yet monetized, so that you know the requirement that you need. So if I'm to hit on switch account, then I'll quickly switch over to my YouTube channel that I'm planning on growing anytime soon. It's a YouTube channel where I want to be talking more about YouTube content creation and how to grow a YouTube channel as a business. So it's loading up. Give some time, guys. So as you can see, this is the channel. It got just one video. And one thing about YouTube content creation is that you cannot succeed with just one video. You need to upload as many content as possible in order to, have a higher chance of succeeding, just like the other channel that already have 292 videos. So if I'm to come over now to the YouTube Studio section of this particular channel that is not yet monetized, then I hit on YouTube Studio. Then it's going to bring me over to the back end of this particular channel that is not yet monetized. So as you can see now, this is the back end of the channel. It got nothing. Even if you come over to analytics, you see that it got little or no data available because nothing is really going on this channel yet. So as you can see now, this is the analytics. Views in the last 48 hours is 0. Nothing is going on. So imagine you already, have much content on this channel. You have uploaded so many videos and you would like to make money with it. Then you have to scroll down now to this section that says earn. This is where you know your eligibility status of, making money as a YouTube content creator. So this all of the features. Become a partner with YouTube. You have to join the YouTube partner program to earn money, get creator support and more. So benefits include many ways to earn money. These are so many ways you can earn money with your video content as a YouTube content creator or with even your YouTube channel. But the main one is how do you actually join and get benefits to these ways of making money. There are so many ways to make money with your YouTube channel. The one I want to talk about mostly is the monetization section that will make ads to start running on your videos. So these are the two major criteria that you have to meet up with, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hour. As you can see, this channel is still fresh, nothing yet, just 8 subscribers and 0 watch time hour. I have to put up more content now to get more subscribers, at least 1,000, then 4,000 watch time hour, and you have to do it within the space of 365 days, 1 year. They give you 1 year to achieve this criteria in order to get accepted into the YouTube monetization partner program. So if you meet up with all of these criteria, automatically you have options to apply and you'll be accepted into the YouTube partner program, and then you can start adding ads to your video. So this ad of a thing, let me show you how it works. Because after you get monetized or after you get accepted, that's if you have met up with all of these criteria, let me open up to the other YouTube channel, my main YouTube channel, and show you how ads looks like or how you can add ad to your video. Okay, so this is my other YouTube channel now. Let me come over to my video content. Okay, so as you can see now, these are all of the content on this main channel. Now all I just have to do now is to come over to this details section. Then if I'm to hit on details section, then it's going to bring me over to this section where I can work on the details of this particular video. So as you can see now on the details, I will just still have to scroll down and come over to this section that says monetization. As you can see now on the monetization section, this video monetization is turned on. That's because this channel is already monetized. I've met up with all of the criteria. It's turned on and I can turn it off. You have option of turning your monetization on a particular video on or off, but I'll leave it on because I want to make money with it. Then you have the mid-roll ads. That's if your video is more than 8 minutes or above 8 minutes, then you have option of adding mid-roll ads. As you can see, I added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mid-roll ads in it. So it's very simple. This is how this thing actually works. So like I said, you must be a video editor before you can make money with YouTube. And this is my video editing software. Like I showed you, this is what I use, the Adobe Premiere Pro. So go and get the Adobe Premiere Pro software for yourself. So guys, I believe this is where I have to call it a wrap, but let me quickly give you a piece of an advice. In case you start your YouTube channel or in case you embark on this YouTube channel or on this YouTube content creation journey, and let's say your first 10, 20, even 50, 100 videos are still struggling to get views, please do not give up. Keep on pushing. That's how YouTube content creation is. It's not easy. It's a difficult thing to do, but you definitely succeed at last. My name is Daniel Anthony. What I do on YouTube is I share, video content around online money making, how to build a sustainable stream of income for yourself, even from the comfort of your home. Please share this video, like this video. In case you still need more detailed tutorial about YouTube content creation, or if there's anything you didn't understand very well in this video, please drop your comments in the comment section below. I will attend to each and every one of your comments. Okay, but until we meet again, I just have to say I love you. But for now, bye-bye and peace.